In today's video, we will be creating the two GOATs of soccer, Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo, as LEGO minifigures. These minifigures are so good that you can't even tell that they're custom. So make sure to stick till the end to figure out how to make both of them. Without further ado, let's get started. To start off, go to the link down below and print out my decal sheet. It's totally free and all the designs are custom made by me. All other decal sheets are paid, so I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to me. It's free and it encourages me to keep making videos. Once you print the sheets, cut out the torso prints for Messi first. If you want to make Ronaldo, go to his timestamp. When you are cutting, make sure to be extremely careful not to cut into the torso or leave anything outside the outlines. However, if you do mess up, 2 extra torso prints have been provided. After cutting out both the front and back torso prints, find a white torso with white arms and light nougat hands. Use bottled glue and apply the bottled glue on the torso. Once there's a thin layer of glue on the torso, put the print on top and make sure that it is centered. Keep pressing on the torso to make sure that it sticks. Once it is stuck on, leave it to dry for 5 minutes. Now all you have to do is repeat the same exact process on the other side of the torso. And here is our custom Messi Argentina jersey. Now for this next part, we will be creating shorts for the legs. This part isn't really needed, but it adds to the look a lot. So you'll be cutting out 2 strips of the lighter color that go on this part of the minifigure and wrap around the edge to make them look like they're dual molded. So here we have one piece, and when we make both of them and put them on the legs, it will look something like this. So now to build our minifigure, we're going to use our custom legs, our custom torso, Thor's head, the minifigure can be seen on the top right, and Hawkeye's hair. I believe both the minifigures are from the same set. And just like that, we have our Messi minifigure, which looks exactly like real Lego. Now for Ronaldo, you'd just be repeating the same process we followed for Messi, except this time, we'd be using different pieces. We're going to be using a dark red torso. Right now, I'm using a Lego Batman movie minifigure torso, and of course we need the nougat hands. Now, like I said before, we're just repeating the same process. So spreading the glue, putting on the torso print, then doing the same thing on the back. Now we're going to be doing the shorts part where we take the other block of color and we put it on a pair of green legs. Now of course this part is optional too, but in this part you can see how I did it by folding it over the edges. Now finally, to build the minifigure, we have our custom green legs, our custom Ronaldo torso, and for the head we'll be using a 501st Trooper head that's found in all the 501st Troopers or new clone troopers, and then we'll be using the Falcon CMF hairpiece. If you don't have that hairpiece, you can also use the Victor Crumb hairpiece. They both look very similar. And just like that, we have our second player, Cristiano Ronaldo. So here we have the two minifigures side by side, Messi and Ronaldo. I personally like Messi better because his print is just better, but that really matters on the quality of your printer. So this is a very different type of video from what I do usually, so if you liked it, please let me know in the comments below. Other than that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.